Every time I see you, you make my heart say. Hey you guys, Ashley K here, and I'm back with another video. And I know it's been a minute, it's been so long, it's been forever, but I'm back, y'all. I just been busy as heck, just trying to, get my life together. I'm back. I have some time now, and I'm gonna be shooting a lot of videos for you guys. So first things first, so you do not miss out on the up and coming videos, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below, or they'll be somewhere in this screen, somewhere all over the screen. So y'all check that out. So make sure you are keeping up with me, not just on YouTube but on everything else. And yeah, I think that's about it, guys. And the first things first, I know you can see by the title, this is gonna be a part 2 of my Body Shop haul. So y'all know how I feel about Body Shop. I love Body Shop to death, and I've been stocking up on some stuff. Some of this stuff has been featured in my first video. If you have not checked that out, it will be linked down below, or it will be in the cards up top. So make sure you guys check out the first haul. But if you have seen my first haul, then some of this stuff has already been purchased before. It's a re-up kind of thing. And then we also got some new goodies to add to the mix as well too. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get into this. So the first things first, the first thing that I wanted to feature, actually it's a pair of two. I actually went ahead and purchased these two things. Actually, quick tip, I actually got one of these things for free, so which is pretty cool. Another thing that I love about Body Shop is that they do have a point system. So if you are a member, I think it's the Love Your Body Club, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have it written down somewhere down below. It's the Love Your Body membership. It's free to join. I would totally recommend, if you guys love Body Shop the way I do, definitely sign up for their free point system, because sis, it's so easy to get like free stuff from them. Like, it's crazy. Sometimes I be thinking like they crazy for giving out all this free stuff, but yes, like if you join the point system, you can get free things. I think it's up to I think if you purchase 2 out of 3 things or something like that, if you purchase more than $10, don't quote me on that or whatever, but if you have a $10 credit from them, you're able to get a free item, and you could put the $10 towards your purchase. You could put the $10 to get in a free item. So every time I go up in there, I always have an extra $10 to spend, which is pretty cool. So I think the last time I went for these items, I think my bill came up to about like 80 bucks, and I got the $10 off. So, and then I got a free item as well too, because of all the points I have. So I would highly recommend joining their point system, because you get free stuff on top of free stuff on top of free stuff. And if you are a part of my channel, then we love the free and savings and all of that stuff. Okay, so let me get into the first item. So the first items that I got is the Body Shop Pina Colada shower gel. I actually got this item for free. I don't know if it's focusing. There it goes. So it's the Pina Colada shower gel. This is so fitting for the summertime. I can't wait to actually use this. The smell actually smells like pina colada. I wish you guys could smell. It kind of has that pina colada smell, but sometimes I know certain people don't like the pina colada smell, and I don't really like pina colada like that. But this one kind of has like a lemony pineapple kind of undertone to it. I'm not really good at describing scents, guys, but yeah, it kind of has more of a pineapple scent and a little hint of pina colada. So the pina colada isn't overwhelming. So I really like this. I can't wait to try this out. Their shower gels are really bomb.com. So, and I think, let me just see what it says. If it just has, yeah, it just has the pina colada and the pineapple, with pineapple and coconut extracts from the Caribbean. Okay, sis. So yes, I definitely will be doing, y'all know I love to travel and everything like that, so I definitely will be using this in the summertime. And then this is what I actually wanted to purchase, was the pina colada. This is the body butter. So this is the medium sized body butter. It does come in a larger size, as like I told you in the first video, it comes in 3 different sizes. So this is a medium size, and these usually retail for I think $21. And then this is the bigger size. It's the largest size the body butters come in. This retails for I think about $31. And then these are the little mini ones. So these, they go on sale all the time, probably about like $5. Sometimes they give it out even cheaper than that. Sometimes they have sets with these little ones. So those are the 3 different sizes that the body butters come in. So this is just the matching body butter to the body wash, and this is just the Body Shop Pina Colada body butter. So this is just the matching body butter to this. Like I showed you guys before, their body butters are so thick. Like, let me see if I can focus for you guys. It's not focusing. There you go. Like, they come out so thick. Like, they're not watery little creams that, you know, like you put it on in 2 seconds, your hands is dry. Like, these hoes are super thick, okay? Like, they're super thick. You put it on and you actually feel the moisture. That's why, one of the reasons why I love shopping at Body Shop is because you get your bang for your buck. Like, the money you spend is, you know it's gonna go to good quality moisture. So that's why I love Body Shop for sure. So those are the first two items that I got, which is a set. So the next item that I got, this is gonna be a re-up. If y'all watched, like I said in my first video, I'm gonna be referencing a lot of stuff from my first video. If you watch that video, then you know about this guy here. Okay, this is my staple for the winter, spring, summer. I use this thing like no other cream in my closet. I mean, in my collection. This is the Shea Butter body butter. This is the full size. Okay, I always buy the full size. This is a re-up. I can't tell you how many of these I have. I actually bought this, I think, about 2 weeks ago, and y'all, look at this. Like, this hair is almost finished. Okay, like, I use this every day, every night. Like, it doesn't, like I said in the first video, it doesn't have an overpowering shea smell. It's not too sweet. It's very subtle, so you're able to sleep with it. It's not too strong of a scent. It's beautiful. I always get compliments when I use this, and my skin, it never does me wrong. And yes, I still do mix my oils with this as well too in the winter time, because you know I live in Canada, so the winter is very strong and harsh, so you need to add extra stuff on top of this. But girl, once you use this, you're gonna have no problems with dry skin, okay? Because this is definitely this is super good, okay? Like, it's that good, and you need to have it. It's time right now. We're going into spring, but I'm gonna still be using this regardless, because this is my jam, okay? So definitely check out the Shea Butter body butter from the Body Shop. That's this guy here. And a next one is another one of a re-up, because I'm so obsessed with this scent, and it's perfect for these coming seasons, for spring and summer coming up, guys. Like, you definitely have to check this one out for sure. If you are into the floral scents and stuff like that, this one is for you. And I mentioned this in my last video. This is the Moringa Body Butter, okay? So I couldn't tell you guys how many of these I have. This is a brand new one that I am going to start. I don't know if you guys can see here. There you go. This is the Moringa Body Butter. This is the medium size, and yes, I love this scent. As you guys can see, all the creams are super thick. They're super consistent when it comes to their consistency of the creams and everything. Everything is super thick. Everything is super moisturizing. So you're not going to get a watery type of feeling from these creams. Like, they're super thick. They're super moisturizing, and your skin loves to steep it in. Like, my skin loves these type of creams. So, and the Moringa is perfect for the spring season, perfect for the summer season. It smells like you have perfume. When you have this on your body, I couldn't tell you how many times I wore this in the spring and summer. So many people have asked me, what are you wearing? Is that a perfume? Blah blah blah. Like, this one is definitely a stronger scent compared to the Shea Butter one, but it's definitely worth it if you're not someone that doesn't like to wear a lot of perfume, but you just want to smell good. You know, when the wind blows, everything like that, you want to have a subtle scent to you, still smelling good, still, you know, feeling good, whatever. This is definitely a cream I would check out for sure. This is the Moringa Body Butter, and I love the Moringa Body Butter so much that I actually discovered this. I did not know that they had, I was actually, funny story, I was actually going to buy a dry oil for the summer, because you know, when you on the beach and you want to take your bikini pics in the summer and the spring, you know, you want to have your skin glistening. So I was going to actually buy an oil like this from Kiehl's, from Sephora, that was going to be way more expensive. And I actually saw it on Instagram from Karuchi's page. If I follow Karuchi, I always watch her stories, love her. But yeah, she actually featured the Kiehl's dry body oil, so I was gonna go ahead and purchase that. But then when I went into Body Shop, I did not know that they made the Moringa. Okay, sis, they made the Moringa Body Dry Oil. Okay, listen here. Okay, this is heaven in a bottle. Okay, if you are into like having your skin glistening and everything like that in the summer and springtime, I would definitely go ahead and purchase this. I think this retail for about, I want to say like like 10 to $13. I'm not really too sure, but it wasn't too expensive. It wasn't as expensive as the Kiehl's body dry oil that I was gonna get from Sephora. I think it was a lot cheaper than that. But girl, okay, this is Moringa, so you got the floral perfume scent, you know, and then you have the oil, so that you can have the shimmery skin, and then you be smelling like flowers. Like what, girl? What? Yes. That is a steal of a deal. Okay, so you get the best of both worlds. So you get a nice smelling floral oil, and then you get the shimmer and the shine, and you just the popping, you know, your skin gonna be popping, because you know when you put oil on your stuff and you take your pictures, honey, you're gonna be looking like a Victoria's Secret supermodel. Okay, so that's why I had to go ahead and buy this guy. I was like, I have my favorite scent, and then I have my oil. Like, I'm gonna be good for the summertime and the springtime. So guys, if you are into dry oils and all that type of stuff, shimmery skin when you're taking your pictures, definitely check out this Moringa body oil, because not only will you get the oil and the shimmer and the good lookingness of everything, you'll also get the smell good too. So definitely check this guy out as well. I had to re-up on another mini, so this is just the Shea Butter mini size. I like to keep these mini sizes are perfect for just throwing in your bag and things like that. If you need to go, you know, throw something in your purse, you don't want to have dry hands or whatever, I always get one or two of these little mini hand ones, because you can never go without hand cream. Like sometimes, you know, your hands is ashy, wash your hands, and you need something quick. Definitely, I always have like one of these in each of my purses, every purse. So I definitely just always buy one or two, even though if I have it already, I always just buy one, because you never know, you always need these little hand creams, and these are so compact, and they stay closed, they don't leak out because they're so thick, right? And on top of that too, like, you can use it for everything. You don't gotta use it for your hands, you can use it for your, you know, your feet, whatever is going on with you, and you dry somewhere, you can just snatch this out real quick and use it up real quick. And these last so long, even though they're mini size, they last for forever. So definitely check out these mini sizes as well. These don't retail for more than, I want to say, $5, even less sometimes, because they have sales all the time. That's another thing with Body Shop, they have sales all the time. They have the points card. So sis, you get free stuff everywhere. Like, you going up in there, you may just walk up in there on a day and they just doing a sale where it's like the big sizes are on sale for $20, and every day is something. So definitely check out Body Shop. Definitely check out these little mini ones as well too. And I think that's about it for my re-up and my Body Shop part 2, you guys. Tell me if you guys have any favorite items from Body Shop that you want to check out. I also saw that they had this almond smell for your hands cream. I think it's called almond. That smelled heavenly. Okay, I'm definitely gonna go back and get that as well too. So yeah, definitely guys, let me know if you have any favorites from Body Shop. Let me know if you guys want me to try any particular scents, and you want me to check out any particular scents and do a review. I would love to hear what you guys got to say in the comments below. And definitely, like I said guys, make sure you're subscribed for any further videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.